Hey everybody, Michael Milius here with The Open Door, doing another seasonal check-in, giving you some inside looks and behind the scenes of our operations here at The Open Door. And today we're going to give you a look into our warehouse space, which is where we're standing right now. And to do that, we have the lovely Sara Garcia, who is our warehouse and logistics specialist.
Yes. Hello, everyone. Welcome. Again, my name is Sara Garcia. I'm the logistics and inventory specialist here at The Open Door. That's a lot of words. What it really means is I am here working with everybody in the mornings during the food rescue process and making sure that everything gets packed and ready to go for our offsite. So managing that inventory in both spaces. And so now we're kind of going through what it would be like if you were a box of food rescue produce. The first place where you will be is right here at our garage door. This is where all of the food rescue from the various stores that we pick up from throughout Dakota County get unloaded. They get unloaded onto these lovely carts. We call them U-boats. We love them. They take our things to the many sites we have throughout Dakota County and through the warehouse as a whole. Once those boxes are unloaded, they get rolled on their U-boats to our in-floor scale. We love this. We used to have a scale that was a ramp. You'd push it up on there, and sometimes carts would tip. Sometimes it would just a little shaky. So now we can even do 2 carts at once on this thing. It's great. It's great. Once everything's weighed in that food rescue process, it gets brought over here. This is where all of our perishable goods get sorted on these tables. Once they're sorted, they get loaded into our refrigerators and loaded into the walk-in, packed onto carts to go off-site. Yeah, there's many places and many items that we see here in the morning.
So every morning from about 7 a.m. until 11 noon, this area here and this area here is rocking with volunteers.
Hustling and bustling.
Yeah. How many volunteers do you feel like every morning to do
it
food rescue and sorting?
We got the food sorters. I mean, we need at least 6 to 8 food sorters. Then we need, depending on the day, up to 10 food rescue drivers. We need about 8 warehouse assistants. Everybody's working to get the stuff here, to get it sorted, and then to get it stocked in our pantry for our clients that get here at 10 in the morning. So it's a lot. And it happens really fast.
It does, yeah. It's quick. And then as stuff gets sorted and down here, or further down rather, you might not be able to see it, but there is compost and there's recycling and there's trash. So
with the food rescue process, we're taking food that the grocery store would be throwing away otherwise. With that, we do have food that is waste, and all of our waste gets broken down into trash, compost, and recycling. We love the fact that we're able to compost here. It helps reduce the amount of waste that we're putting into landfills, and recycling is also a great positive to that as well. So
off the dome, how many food rescue places do we go to? Or do we get rescue from?
Throughout the week, we're picking up from about 17 different stores. Some days that means 8, some days that means 11. It just kind of depends on what day of the week it is. So, but we're always hoping to add more because
because we need it. We need that food.
Yeah.
So a lot of the food will get, organized and sorted and put in these. But one of the biggest features of our new space, where food gets sorted and is available right to people in the pantry, is our walk-in cooler over here, which is where we're going to show y'all next. Courtesy of the very awesome Midwest Bank. Shout out Midwest Bank.
Shout out Midwest Bank. We love our walk-in cooler. We're able to fit not only the shelves for our clients that come and shop in the pantry, but we're able to put whole pallets of items. So we have milk pallets, egg pallets, other dairy pallets. We're able to prep stuff to go to our off-site appointments and pop it in here until it's time to go on our refrigerated truck. So we're able to keep all that food really temperature safe and of high quality for our clients. So
the walk-in cooler has been an enormous addition to our operations. Yeah.
Amazing to have.
Right on. Well, from here, we'll bop over to where our non-perishable food items are stored. Just around the corner. I call it non-perishable land, apparently.
Yeah, I mean, that's a good name for it. That is kind of where all of our shelf-stable items, our canned goods, our baking items, this is where this all comes to hang out. We've got more sorting tables here for those. We do some date check-in, and then we kind of just organize it out onto all the shelves, and then it's prepped and ready to get packed for offsites or stocked in our pantry. So yeah, it's a lovely little area. Yeah. It's a lot more space than we had at mobile. It's a lot more space than we had in the pantry back in the day. So there's a lot of really cool stuff, you know?
Yeah. So that's the end of the warehouse tour that we have for y'all. We did just kick off March campaign at the end of February, and the Open Doors goal is to bring in $200,000 and 200,000 pounds of food. So if you're looking to donate food during the month of March, if you're hosting a food and fun drive, kind of that tour that we just showed you, that was where your donations would come in and how it will be sorted and how it will go to help feed families and individuals during a time of the year that food donations, typically dip. So if you're able to support the Open Door, whether financially or food donations, we would love it. But that's what we got for y'all. Thanks so much for being wonderful supporters of the Open Door, and we'll do another video check-in in a couple months. See ya.
Bye.